just got a bunch of stuff to help me fix up my element. So let's head out to the garage and see what I got. I'm not sure where this is going to land in the grand scheme of all the videos that I'm working on, because I'm working on about 6 of them right now, but here's a bunch of stuff that I just ordered that I need to get some stuff done. Thought I'd share it with you. Wire crimpers. Ferrule terminals. More terminals. And of course, some heat shrink. Can you tell I'm working on wiring stuff? I should say that I'm starting working on wiring stuff. I'm not actually working on it right this second, but I need to start. Bigger crimpers. Gonna try out this 4-to-1 heat shrink tubing, which basically means it goes from 4 to 1 when you shrink it down. Should make it a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger, and yeah, I'm kind of curious how it works, because I typically use like 2-to-1 or 3-to-1. Oh yeah, needed a little bit of wire loom. And this is for another video, backup battery for the computer. Links to all this stuff will be in the description of the video. I try to link everything that I use, even if I don't talk about it, just in case you need it. So these terminals are called ferrule terminals. You can find a bunch of videos on them, but basically they're going to go around the end of your wiring. That way when you plug it into either a distribution block or into a battery terminal like this one that'll have the holes there, you'll be crimping it down with those screws, or you can crimp it down on, and then you can crimp it onto the cable first and then tighten it down with those screws. Basically this just keeps the copper wire from inside of the insulated wire from stripping out and pulling out, so it's a more secure connection. I'm going to do this on the element with basically all of my wiring that's going to go into things like this aux beam controller and my other distribution block. That way I can have multiple kind of checkpoints where I can add switches, where I can distribute the wire. That way if I want wiring for, say, roof lighting or exterior lighting or any of those things, I have a way to attach them securely, all different sizes, and yeah, then heat shrink and wire loom to kind of clean it up. And these are the tools that you use for that. That's it for today. If you're into hunt elements, hit subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.